Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Norwalk local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a professional, licensed moving company with 2 decades of experience helping customers achieve their dreams of moving and starting fresh. We will provide you with every service you'll need for moving day, from packing to unpacking. Sleeping in is off the table, since we arrive right on time to get you moved. A free quote for our affordable, top-notch services ensures you have no pricing issues to worry about. Feeling down about packing when you should be feeling excited about the big step you are about to take? That's not what moving is supposed to feel like. 3 Movers will pack up your belongings for you in protective packaging and arrive at your new space with all of your things safe. Kick off your celebrations early while we take care of your moving needs. You're breathing a sigh of relief from dodging the trouble of moving long distance, but the stresses of moving simply can't be avoided. Your things must be packed and moved anyway. Our movers will get you packed and into your new space after only a few hours of hard work. Spend the night of moving day hosting a party instead of collapsing from fatigue. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Norwalk moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.